Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Solana on the all-time history to see what do we have, what we might expect next. So we were expecting for Solana, of course, some lower prices already there. Since a long time ago, we were, of course, looking for this potential leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. For a wave 4, you need the perfect fib level 0.5, 0.38 fib levels. That means, of course, the $75 was, of course, a minimum target here, especially in 1-to-1, especially that you have an impulse ABC, and very likely that we are finishing here an impulse toward the downside that it might still can reach, of course, for lower, because as this is a minimum target here, $75, it might even reach a little bit lower. Another scenario is a double 1-2. Double 1-2, the wave 2 is the minimum requirement 0.38, again of course $75. And finally, of course, three waves as a zigzag, three waves down as a wave B, which it can even reach lower as a wave B 0.618, 0.786 even for Solana in case, of course, of the worst case scenario here. However, this ABC, of course, as a zigzag is unfolding as double 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. So we can see clearly that we are looking, of course, at a wave C impulses here and double 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. And currently we're still in a wave 4, and we might still expect, of course, a wave 5 to push towards the downside here. If we dive inside it on the 4 hours chart here, on the 4 hours chart, we can see clearly that this impulse from the top here, where we have the double 1-2 and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished wave 3, a very long sideways correction wave 4, of course, replying for this wave 2 here as alternation. And then, of course, a final impulse toward the downside, finishing the wave 5 in the orange here, where we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished impulse. And currently we are ranging in another sideways here, of course, as alternation for this wave 2 in the blue count here, that it might have several possibilities. So those several possibilities, we're gonna read them on the 1 hour chart here to see what are they. So the first possibility we have here is three ways toward the upside for a potential wave W, an X in, of course, three ways again, and a potential triangle A, B, C, D, and a E. This triangle might unfold here, of course, as a wave Y, and then, of course, we might push for lower W, X, and a Y, and then continuation simply toward the downside. Of course, reversal and continuation for wave 5. Another possibility is a diagonal in an ABC, meaning three ways up for a wave A, three ways down for a wave B, and you are still in a wave C unfolding as an ending diagonal. This is a wave 1 and then wave 2 given, wave 3 of course expected, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit the 1-to-1 level as a large ABC here before, of course, pushing a very low, of course, for a wave 5. I'm still expecting a wave 5 to reach at least the $52. He can be, of course, or I would not say at least $58, which is an uncommon target, 0.618, but the very common target is the $52 here for 1-to-1. And of course, very likely as well, once you take the low there, can be, of course, in case that you finished a structure, a very small structure as an impulse, can be already, of course, a low there, and that you are ready to push for higher, unless, of course, wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5 for a deeper correction in an impulse, meaning this final leg can transform to a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit, of course, even the extension as a $45 1.618 for Solana. Yep, so this is regarding Solana. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.